Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over. Your name lighting up the screen, but you never call when you're sober. You say you don't like the games, but you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars.
Hi there, how's it going? Oh, hello. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel called HobbyHill. Today I'm just gonna start off with a video about myself and about who I am, what I'm about, that sort of thing, what the channel will be about, what my videos will be about. So let's go. Okay, so for a quick idea of how many I've written down so far of things that I'm interested in is art, DIY and crafts, design, renovations, coffee, cooking, fitness and lifestyle, event planning, health, gardening, pets, movies and literature, animation, and probably more. So while I'm trying to do all this, I have two jobs. One, I'm a barista at an amazing cafe, and the other one is at a warehouse job. I'm gonna let you find your way around the channel. The plan is to hopefully try and get up a video at least once a week. That's my aim. It'll be hard, especially because I work two jobs, like Monday to Friday, but I will try my very best. Also, I should probably mention tattooing. Tattoos, that's another hobby. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my videos as I try to express all my interests and hobbies to you guys in a really fun, exciting way. Look forward to hearing back from you guys. Subscribe obviously if you like them or you want to see more, that would be amazing, and give me likes, comments, feedback, all that sort of fun stuff, just to, you know, get an idea of what you guys like, what you don't like. Should I change things up? Am I doing, I don't know, too much of the same thing? You want to see something different? I'm very much up to your ideas. So anyway, hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you